Varnish is finally dry on the pieces of my sideboard cabinet. This piece of furniture will be the crowning detail of a big renovation I did in my office last spring. It began with tearing out an old chimney that went along one wall. Then I had to patch the ceiling, wall, and floors. Then I painted everything and put in a new oak floor and baseboards. I made some John Heiss style Venetian blinds and even made a wooden desk lamp. This sideboard will give me some much needed storage. Fully assembled, this sideboard would be way too heavy to carry down from my second story shop, so I assemble it in pieces on the back deck where I can easily bring it in the house. These clips hold the top on while allowing room for expansion and contraction of the seams. My friend Alain gave me these little plastic feet that I could screw on to my furniture projects. He made them in his 3D printer. Can't help but think of them as my 3D feeties. I had a bunch of these old brass pulls from my junk box, so I used them in the two big drawers. What you doing, kitty? Well, folks, I'm not 100% finished. I'm running out of shooting lights, so I had to tape the knobs on the doors, and I wanted to put the magnetic catches that hold the doors closed, so I'll have to tape them up to bring them inside. I started this cabinet about a month ago, and bringing it in my office will be the end of my big office renovation. Thanks for watching.